a blueberry, but they need blueberry to play the ball, Mama.
Oh, do you like that book?
Yeah, they're having fun. I love it. I love it a lot.
What are you doing?
I'm finding a big book so I can read it. Yeah, Mama.
Can you?
Oh, maybe this one.
Okay. You like that one? Okay, start.
My mom took me to shopping. My brother take a shirt. It has board on it. My sister take a shoe.
No, come on. My sister. You speak
My sister
clearly. Yeah.
take a shoe.
Shops for new shoes.
Shop for new shoes. It has hair on it. My mom shop shirt.
Sweater.
Jumper. My mom shop a jumper.
Okay.
It has sheep on it. My brother wear a shirt. It's dirty.
Dirty?
Yeah.
Okay, another one. One more. You select one more. What about the duck? Come on.
The dark one.
The duck. Double duck. This book. Yes, that one.
I want to suggest a picture. I cannot read it.
Okay.
I love the duck, you know.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. 10 ducks are already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you tell me the story? Can you?
No, I want to see a picture.